Happy Saturday. Yay, we made it, right? We made it to Sweet Baby Michael's Friday. That's exciting. So, same drill as usual. We're gonna, well, almost the same drill as usual. We're gonna take a set of pups, right? On up to the Barkeyville Butthead 8166. And then we'll see what's gonna happen from there. But before we do all that, we actually had to put the pups together, dude. So my rear trailer, my rear trailer is in the dock door, but it's done, closed up. So I scoped it out and then put a dolly under it, or in front of it, I should say. Now we're gonna finagle our way, and we're gonna put them together in the dock door. The reefer thing's smoking, so we'll see if we can do this a little bit different than what we normally do it. But it shouldn't be too big of a problem. We're gonna find out though. Just take it nice and slow. Should be plenty of room, unless somebody parked next to me. I hope they didn't. Oh, they didn't, we'll be good to go, buddy. We're gonna take it all the way over here to the right, yeah? And then I'm gonna dive down, if you will. Like so, yeah? There's my dolly. Woo! There we go, very good. And then we're gonna go like so. And I think we can pull this off, dude. I don't know if we can get all the way over, but maybe. Can we do it? Yeah! How about that? I'm actually farther over than I wanted to be. No worries, we will remedy that though, right? Just like so. Much easier with a small trailer, dude, than that old 53-foot BS. And I'll swing her back around. Yeah. Now we'll just straighten this turd up. There we go. Yeah. In just a moment, let our friends get out of the way. Come on. There you go. That was darn near perfect, Sweet Baby Michael. Darn near it. Yeah. You don't got a whole lot of complaints there, buddy. Not really. None at all, really. Alright. I think this trailer is a little wonky. So, let's go check that out. See what's shaking there, right? Roll this back up. We don't need that BS down anymore. Cool. Cool. Right on. We get close enough. I'm gonna back that turd up a little bit more, dude. Just a smidge more, brother. Sweet little smidge, dude. But we was pretty close, wasn't we? Down there, dummy. Pretty close. Might get out of here at 9:15, maybe. Those goofballs are telling me they're gonna be there at 9:15. It's like, well, or 12:15. It's like, okay. I'm not. I don't know why I'm laughing about that. It would be awesome to get there at 12:15 today, but that ain't what's shaking. Not at all. Alright, so get this turd up on here, right? Come on, there you go. Get up on there. There we go. Nice. So we got shorties or long ones today. These should work. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Now, we'll do it the way our friends have suggested we do it. All right? Put our electric juice in. There we go. Red to red, blue to blue. Soon. And we will put. Oh, wait a minute, my things are gone off of here. Huh. So we can't do that. Can we not? No, they're gone. Huh. Alright, well that ain't happening. That's funny. Well, whatever. Something didn't seem right. That's alright. Oh no, wait a minute. What am I doing? It's right there, stupid. Isn't that funny? Right on, Michael. Take time to look. Might see what's up, right? That. Yeah. Alright. This guy there. This guy here. Let's see if that's enough to get it under there without having to lower anything down. Let's see. Nah, it's still a little high. So, well, that's all right. We will lower it down a bit. Come on, man. Right there. On you turd. I don't know. There we go. Good Lord. There. So I might have to jump on that one. Oh, jeez Louise. There we go. All right, MFer. That guy's being a straight turd. Will that get under there? Honestly, I can't tell. Ugh. There we go. There we go. Come on. POS, dude. Ugh. Here we go. Let's try that one. See if that gets it done. Close. We'll see. Only way we're gonna learn. Try it out. That sucked. Good Lord. Alright. Already sweating. Let's see. Let's see. Alright. Maybe. Does that work? Let's find out. I'd say that did work. All right. Fantastic, bruh. All right. I probably didn't even have to work that hard on flipping, lowering that thing. It probably would have worked from the beginning, but I had to make sure, buddy. I gotta trust myself. You know what I'm saying? All right. All right. All right. There's that. Cool. Make sure this thing is flipping on here correctly. Calendar, stupid. There you go. Right. That was awesome. All right. Yeah, dude. That's the way to do it. All right, so we're gonna do it that way from now on. We'll get a little smoother flow going, but janky landing gear. You know what's up. Maybe Michael will have more confidence, dude. We'll get that process hammered out. Come on. POS landing gear, dude. That's hilarious. All right, man. Let's take a peek here. Make sure that flipping thing is latched on, which it is. All right. All right, cool. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm sweating, bro. Gross. I'm gonna pull this forward, check out, and we'll be on our way, dude. All right, so Big Michael will be right back. Well, take a quick peek around the old truck here. These hillbillies, they don't have a conversation. All right, very good. Smoking cigarettes. I don't know what that lady's doing. Who knows? So high, oh buddy. Yeah, man. It's flipping hot out here. Jeez Louise. Oops. I'm gonna do that. What's up, Michael? All right. BRB. Come up here on Lake Milty. Man, how fast can prime trucks go? Are they flipping governed at 64? 65? What if you're renting one from them? You know what I mean? Leasing one. Or does it still gotta go flipping 60, flipping 5 miles an hour? Oh, lots of boats. Good daddy be out there, boys and girls. Stay hydrated. Seriously though. Oh, Prime Floral. Well, he's got some words on the side of his. Oh my goodness gracious. Bible stuff. Bible juice. I don't know about all that. No Newton Falls, Lake Milty. Get out of the way, Bible juice. Prime Bible. Shoot. That's a delicious chicken salad wrap today. I think Burley put feta cheese in there, man. Maybe. Is that feta? Tasting something. You wouldn't think that'd be a good combo, but it's quite tasty. Come on, man. Please get off here. Oh, the old reflection's gonna stay out here. Dude, look at them old moon white nasty legs, dude. A big old girl. Yuck. She had spots, yeah. We won't get over here, dude. Irritate this car. Well, shoot. Is that reflection gonna run off the road? He's trying to, isn't he? Well, we're 6 miles away. You know what? Tell you what. I ain't gonna battle this dude. He's now going 70, so we'll now he's going 71. There you go, turd. I'm gonna back off a little bit. Give a little space. That's how you do it, sweet baby Michael. Excuse me. Give a little space between you and the turd. Right? Let them get out of the way. Let these turds go on by. They on camo shorts like sweet baby Michael. They probably went to Walmart too. I got these shorts, dude, at Walmart for like, what were they? 19 bucks? I don't know, shoot. I think I might go back and get another pair of them. Tell you the truth, it's a, now look, the Duluth Trading Company, they're fire hose cargo shorts. Those things are the tits, dude, for real. One pair of those, dude, for real. Well, you probably won't get 2 pairs. That lasts you all season. Problem is, they're like 50 bucks. Well, they might be more than that. They were like 50 bucks though. Or, I like those because they fit. Well, most of them fit. You go to like flipping, go to get like Dickies or like Dickies shorts. Dickies pants are fine, but their shorts are like made for like people with like giant legs. And Super Baby Michael's got little bitty legs. I can't be wearing no wide-legged. I mean, the short, it comes down below my flipping knees. I can't be doing that. So, plus those are like 40 bucks anyway. So, whatever. These those cheap old Wrangler Walmart shorts, dude. Under 20 bucks. I think they were under 20 bucks too. I think I got them for like 19, maybe $17. I mean, they're not a high quality short, and they kind of look like poop, but I mean, color wise, but whatever. I ain't doing a whole lot of strenuous labor in them, if you know what I mean. And who cares if I get them dirty. With the Duluths, I kind of felt bad when I would get like grease on them, because right across my front of my thighs and waist, I'll get from those stupid dollies. You'll get all big grease smears and crap like that. That sucks. Whatever. So, kudos to the Wrangler cargo shorts at Walmart. Sweet Baby Michael approved, right? Yeah, dude. It's like peak summertime, dude. Honestly, next like 4 weeks, dude, just peak summer, and then stuff will start getting less green. Start getting like a, still be green, but be like a yellow color. On into flipping September. Then October. Look out, stupid. So Baby Michael's coming over. They have emergency vehicle. He's gonna pass on the right, dude. No? Thought for sure he would be. These stupid cars up here. Now he's gonna move over. Ah. All right. Oh, Estes. Couldn't quite make it home, could he? He ain't that far away. It's only about another, what, 30 miles up the road to the terminal. Maybe he ain't going there. I don't know. Look at this turd. Going stupid. 2 dummies and a Chevy Cruze. Woo, buddy. All right. We'll check back in at the butthead, dude. We're going straight back, brother. So if we can get fueled up and potted real quick, we can probably be on our way back by 1:15, 1:16, something like that. How sweet is that? Ain't gonna be a whole lot of complaints, brother. None complaints. Nope. There they go down. They gonna hook up, be gone. Good. Ain't nobody at the fuel pumps. It's a slow day. Slow day at the pumps, brother. Totally slow day at the pumps. All right. Get over here to this guy. No death today. We're just gonna top off the tanks, right? So we're set up for success on flipping Tuesday, right? That's what I say. All right, what'd I say? 556-818. Yep. What? Come on. 432. Was that what it was? Daggone it. Yeah. 556-818. All right. Go ahead and put this in too. 556-818. No defects. At least we hope not, right? Let's well, we got her 880-641. Right? 880-641. You know I'm not going to remember it. Nope. So, skip that. We tractor. We're going to skip depth today. Put that in. Their tractor number. We're going 880-641. All right. No. 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 880-641. All right. Now, we'll pop in the juice. All right. Diesel. Wonder how much cancer you get from smelling these flipping fumes all day. You know what I mean? For real. Can't be good for you. No way. Still got the green juice in here. Flipping nasty, bro. Let's get these grody bug marks off. I'm such an anal retentive weirdo, dude. Do not like bug juice on the windows. Not at all. That ain't gonna quite get it done either, I don't think. But nope, there's a big old crusty one up there. Jeez Louise, brother. I don't think that's about the best we're gonna be able to do. Unless I bust some Windex out on it. I don't know if we're gonna get all that sassy with it or not. No need. Probably just flick juice all over my lens. Even when the wind ain't blowing, there's like a, there's always a, what am I trying to say? There's still like a blowback with the juice here. Yeah. Here we go. Maybe we can get that bug spot one more time here. There's some bug spots over here though. Ones I didn't see. Gross. Get it. One more time, buddy. Might as well hit it good. There we go. That might help, right? There we go. There we go. All right. Better than it was, but not as good as it could be. I thought that was a flipping bottle of vodka. I guess we really can't be bothered to put it in the, I'm not touching that. That might be a pee bottle, dude. I was gonna be a good Samaritan, but I don't know. Best course of action here at the fuel island is not to touch anything, and definitely don't do it without your gloves on, dude. I have no idea what was in that flipping bottle. So let's not be inviting any unnecessary diseases or hardships on ourselves from some grody flipping trucker, you know what I mean? Woo! You know what I mean. All right, so let's pull this thing forward, run in and take a potty, bro.